Resolutions because adulting is hard. Fresh start, fresh vibes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to share my top New Year's resolutions with you and how I plan to achieve them. Sleep better. Learn a new language. Spend more time with family. Drink more water. Exercise regularly. Prioritize mental health. Start a gratitude journal. Make time for family. Create a budget you can stick to. Be more mindful. Cook new foods. Read more books. Add cleaning tasks to your calendar. Cut back on alcohol. Good housekeeping make dinner easier. Prioritize sleep. Stop gossiping. Give one compliment a day. Do random acts of kindness. Read a book a month. Go someplace you have never been. Reduce your waste. Travel on a small budget. Drink more water. Talk to yourself with kindness. Keep a journal. Clean out your car. Take the stairs. Learn a new skill. Learn a new hobby. Absorb more sunlight. Stay hydrated. Quit smoking. Attend a seminar. Give time to yourself. Focus on your fitness. Establishing boundaries. Eat healthier. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.